Good day everyone. So today I will present to you my training plan. The qualification is hairdressing in situ. Introduction. This training plan for hairdressing in situ aims to equip trainees with the necessary knowledge, skills, and attitudes to become competent hairdressers. It combines basic employability skills, workplace ethics, and technical expertise in hairdressing. So the plan ensures trainees can work effectively, deliver quality service, and maintain client satisfaction in the beauty industry. So in respondent 1, the focus is the basic competencies. The develop career and life decisions contribute to workplace innovation. So the activities are lecture, discussion, role playing, self-reflection, and group activities. So the purpose is build confidence, eliminate unproductive tendencies, maintain a positive outlook, and develop teamwork innovation. In respondent 1, focus on basic competencies, specifically developing career and life decisions and contributing to workplace innovation. So the training involves role-playing, self-reflection, and group activities supported by discussions and the use of journals. Assessment was conducted through demonstrations, simulations, oral questioning, and third-party reports. So the main goal was to strengthen self-confidence, regulate personal behavior, and develop innovative ideas for workplace improvement. Next is respondent 2 or the trainee 2. So the focus is the basic competencies, exercise efficient and effective sustainable practices in the workplace. So the activities, lecture, demonstration, hands-on practice, group activities. So the purpose, identify causes of inefficiency, practice resource conservation, and promote environmental sustainability. So, work on exercising efficient and effective sustainable practice in the workplace. The training highlight lectures, hand-on practice, and group activities to help the trainee identify efficiencies in resource use and promote environmental responsible actions. Competence was measured through demonstration, oral questioning, and written examinations with overall aim to promoting sustainability in salon operation. Trainee 3. So concentrate on developing career and life decisions alongside developing reflective practice. So journaling, self-assessment, and feedback sessions were key training activities. Assessments were based on demonstration, case problems, and third-party reports. So this training aims to encourage continuous self-improvement, address weaknesses through reflection, and enhance resilience by learning from personal and academic challenges. In Training 4, focus on contributing to workplace innovation. The training emphasized discussions, role-playing, and critical inquiry with, the, with activities that required identifying opportunities for improvement, developing ideas with others, and integrating innovative practices. So assessment was comprehensive, including psychological interviews, performance evaluation, portfolio review, and organizational analysis. The training objective was to foster creativity, encourage critical thinking, and implement innovative changes in the workplace. So, and training 5, engage in core competencies, so particularly performing hair straightening. So training activities included lectures, demonstrations, hands-on practice, with mannequins or clients and role-playing. The trainee learned to apply chemical treatment correctly, so follow post-service procedures, and maintain proper sanitation. Assessment was through demonstrations, oral questioning, portfolio evaluation, and third-party reports. So the focus was on achieving professional outcomes while ensuring client safety and adherence to health standards. In Respondent 6, not detailed in excerpt but likely similar to Respondent 7 and basic competencies. So, Trainee 7 concentrate on participating in workplace communication activities including demonstrations, hands-on practice, and group activities to develop effective communication, information sharing, and workplace instruction compliance. Assessment involved demonstrations, oral questioning, written exam, and interviews. The trainees' objectives was to enhance communication skills, follow procedures effectively, and practice professionalism in workplace interactions. Respondent 8 focus basic competencies, practice occupational safety and health or OHS, exercise sustainable practices. Then common competencies, maintain effective relationship with client, apply quality standard. So activities, lecture, simulation role playing, case study. So the purpose is to train in safety procedures, client communication, service quality, and sustainability. So covered both basic and common competencies including practicing occupational safety and OHS policies and procedures, exercising sustainable practices, maintaining effective relationship with group activities with assessment through observation, demonstration, written test, and questioning. So the aims was to ensure safety compliance, responsible resource use, client satisfaction, and adherence to quality standard in service provides. Training 9 trained across multiple areas of basic and common competencies such as working in a team environment, developing career and life decisions, practicing OHS policies, practicing entrepreneurial skills, and maintaining client relationship. So activities included role play, reflective exercises, group discussions, and simulations. Assessment method range from case studies and sociodrama to demonstrations, interviews, and written tests. So overall goal was to build teamwork, improve self-management, encourage entrepreneurial thinking, maintain client trust, and comply with safety standards. So Trainee 10 also concentrate on working in a team environment. The training included lectures, role-playing, and group discussion to identify team roles, responsibilities, and objectives. Assessment involved case studies, sociodrama, sensitivities technique, and written test. So this training aimed to strengthen collaboration, define clear rules with a team, and contribute effectively to organizational goals. So that's all everyone. Thank you.